So here is the place where I'm going to be doing my crystal grid today for the winter solstice. So on the bottom here I have the World Peace Grid from William Lee Rand, and he's placed these all throughout the world just to help bring peace amongst all religions and non-religions. So I'm going to add to it my winter solstice intention right in the center there. And on top of that I'm going to put this beautiful flower agate crystal to help to transmit whatever my intention underneath. And then I'm going to amplify that by using these beautiful citrines and putting them around like the sun. And then from there, I'm going to be putting these citrine and one rose quartz tumblers, and again, to amplify my intention. And to share a little love, a lot of love. So there they are. And then to send it out into the world, I'm going to add these clear quartz crystals with the points facing out. And it's being amplified by my amethyst crystal, shining its light on it. And then, of course, I am also honoring Usui Sensei, who is the founder of Usui Reiki. And so from here, I'm going to use my wand or my crystal to help ignite the grid, to activate the grid, I should say. And so I'm going to start from the center, from my intention that I had, and I'm going to go out to all of my bigger citrines, just sharing my intention out, really feeling like it's manifesting already. It's already manifested. And then going to each of my tumblers, and then all the way out to my clear quartz. Going out into the world and sharing my intention. And then I'll seal it with love and with light. And there you have it.